Thank you for clicking our video. You can also shop over 4,000 more cars and trucks online at edmartin.com.
You are going to love 2016 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. The Jeep Wrangler Unlimited is an on- and off-road capable vehicle that was made for you to enjoy. Stylish, rugged, and comfortable, all traits of the Wrangler that let you decide where you want to go and how you want to get there, and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, remote engine start, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, four-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, premium sound system. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.
9 convenient locations, 12 top-selling brands, and over 4,000 new and used cars and trucks online at edmartin.com. Ed Martin is the only name you need to know.